Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a set of 6 cards that are available for free in the Papercraft Secrets classroom. These cards are also available in my online store at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. I'm going to take you through the digital printable, how we can print this on our scan and cut machine, and the tutorial for making these cards. So let's get started. If you download the digital printable, you will receive a PNG and a PDF file. This is what the PDF file looks like. You've got the title page. You've got this page here which says scan and cut at the bottom. This page is suitable for cutting on your scan and cut machine. The following page after this one says Cricut. This page is suitable for uploading and cutting on your Cricut machine. Our next page is a scan and cut page of embellishments, and the next page after that is a Cricut page of embellishments. And then we move down to our focal image, and we move down to our inside message, our scalloped circles with more embellishments, different colors, our layered beach images, and finally our coloured squares. And there's 17 pages in this printable. These are the cards that we are making today. They're perfect for children's birthday cards. They've got a beach theme. There's 3 little boy images and 3 little girl images, and they are a 5.5 by 5.5 sized cards, so they're a nice size. And they're very easy to put together. So let's get started on our tutorial. This is my cardstock here, 6 copies, 3 12 by 12 papers, and then 5.5 by 11 for each card to make 6. So I'm just going to fold these in half, and that'll make a 5.5 by 5.5 card, which is the size that we are working with today. Just for something a little bit different, we haven't done a square card for a while, so I thought it might be nice to do a square card, and then my plan is that I will make envelopes to match these cards. So I'm just going through and folding all of my cardstock in half so that they are 5.5 by 5.5. So once you have folded all of those in half, then it's time to glue our first layer down, and this is just the brown, the dark blue, or the light blue that's going to go onto the front of each of our cards. Now everything that I did cut out with this printable, I did use my scan and cut to cut out all of the shapes and embellishments and everything, so that was saved me a lot of time. And what I'm doing now is I'm just choosing, a little background piece for each of the cards, and there's a few different types, so you can choose whichever ones you like, and you can choose whether you want to glue it down or if you want to use some double-sided tape or some recycled cardboard to give it a little bit of elevation. But I've decided to keep my cards flat, particularly because I want them to fit nice and flat into my envelopes that I'm planning to make. So just going through and pasting a beach picture. I'm going to put mine on the left-hand side of the card. You can choose left or right, you can choose in the middle, whatever you prefer. Once you've done that, your next step is to choose a focal image for each card. So this is the main image of our card, the little boy or the little girl at the beach. So go through and select which one you would like for each one of your cards. And once you've done that, it's time to also select your scalloped circle. We have scalloped circles that will fit perfectly in behind each of these little images. So you can play around with the colours that you would like to use, whether you want to use the blue or the brown. And then it's just a matter of gluing those circles on to the scallop circle. The next step is choosing your embellishment, whether you want to have some daisies on your card. And there's some cute little blue bows that you can put at the bottom of your little floral cluster. And then, of course, your sentiments. So you can choose whether you want to move your scalloped circle to the left or the right side of the card, and whether you want to have your floral cluster on the left or the right, and the same with the sentiment. So it's up to you there with how you want to position all of that. And then it's just a matter of gluing all of those pieces down. Now you may want to use some double-sided tape or some recycled cardboard to give your pieces some extra dimension, and that's completely up to you. For this set of cards, I decided to keep mine as flat as possible. And so I'm just going through and gluing everything on to my card. For the inside of the cards, I've used another large piece of the coloured squares, and then I'm adding in a beach picture, just like I did on the front of the card. I'm just basically copying the exact same design on the front of the card. I'm putting the scallop circle on top, and then just the plain white circle on top of that. That's where you can write your message. And then if I feel like it might be nice, I'm going to embellish one side there of the circle with a flower and a ribbon bow, or whatever suits the front of the card, so that it's sort of coordinating. And that brings us to the conclusion of our tutorial today for the Summer Memories cards. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you are inspired to create some little kids' birthday cards using the Summer Memories Cards Printable. This printable is available in my online store at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. Or it is available for free in the Papercraft Secrets Classroom, where you get all of my printables for a very small monthly fee. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you have a lovely crafty day.